Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make stew peas updated. Soak 2 cups dried peas overnight and rinse well before cooking. Start by browning seasoned meat and softening onion in oil for flavor. Add garlic, thyme, and tomato base, then pour in stock to cover ingredients. Simmer gently until peas are tender and meat is falling apart, stirring occasionally and skimming foam for clarity. Gather quality ingredients and measure before you start to keep the process smooth and enjoyable. Use coconut milk and stock to balance creaminess and richness in your stew peas. Season meat beforehand and brown it well to develop flavor through caramelization. Incorporate herbs and whole spices early so their aroma infuses the pot. Simmer slowly and taste often, adjusting salt and heat to reach a comforting balance. Control heat and time for tender, flavorful results when making stew peas. Keep a gentle simmer to avoid breaking peas while extracting maximum flavor from bones and meat. Maintain a lid partially on to reduce evaporation while still allowing steam to escape. Periodically check liquid level and add hot water or stock if it drops too low. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end so salt and acid are balanced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.